Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need accounts and a real app before revenue starts. Create a Google and Play developer account, then open AdMob and complete the payment profile with valid Nigerian bank details or payout option. Once done, register your app in AdMob and create Ad Unit ID. Integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK into your app build and test using Google Test Ads. This ensures ads render and avoids policy strikes. Make sure to enable analytics so you can measure sessions and retention from day one. Now focus on execution. Choose the right ad formats for your user flow, rewarded for retention, interstitial at natural breaks, banners for steady yield. Place ads where users expect them and add frequency caps so UX does not suffer. Enable mediation to increase fill and revenue by layering networks and set reasonable eCPM floors. Once you have data, a /B test placement and timing, and adjust ad load logic to avoid slowdowns. This improves CTR and effective revenue per user over time. Finish by monitoring metrics closely: RPM, CTR, retention, and LTV. Scale user acquisition for sources that deliver positive ROI and increase sessions per user. Configure payouts in AdMob with your verified bank details and meet the payment threshold. Complete tax and identity verification to avoid payout holds. If revenue or fill is low, run one key troubleshooting step. Switch to test ads. Verify Ad Unit ID and mediation setup. Then view AdMob diagnostics for
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.